Good afternoon, students. Say hi, one. Hi. Say Anna, hi. Very good. What happened? Some children not said. Say hi means good afternoon. If you say good afternoon, but I'm not listening, no? So say hi like this. Okay? Okay, very good. So, welcome back to our mathematics class. Welcome back to our mathematics class. Once say the spelling of mathematics. M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Once again say M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Mathematics. Okay, once take out your mathematics textbook. You all have taken your mathematics textbook. Show me once your textbook. Show me your textbook. Okay, very good. So turn on page number 19. Turn on page number 19. See this one. Page number 19. Okay. So look at the board. In previous class, what we learned? Thousand place, 100 place, tens place. So place value using abacus. Place value using abacus. Now, did you identify, children? Which is the ones place? Which is the second place? Which is the third place? And which is the ones place? Which is the tens place? Which is the hundreds place? Okay? Okay. So welcome. Today our class is 3-digit numbers. What is that? 3-digit number. T-H-R-E-D 3 digits. D-I-G-I-T 3 digits. Numbers N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers. 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. See, now I am writing on the board one number. See, how many digits are there in this number? Show with your fingers. How many digits are there? What I am asking? How many digits? No. That's wrong. 9 means that is called number. Don't show 9 fingers. See? How many digits are there in this number? See? How many digits are there? Count. Okay, now you will say, how many digits are there? 1. How many digits, children? 1. How many are there? 1. Very good. Next. 82. In this number, how many digits are there? Show with your fingers. I am observing your videos. What I am asking? How many digits are there in this number? How many digits are there? How many? 2. Very good. So, how many digits are there in this number? 92. How many? 2 digits. Very good. 1 digit. 2 digits. Okay, next. See, 146. What is this number? 146. How many digits are there? Very good. Digits means you did understand. Why? Because when I will ask question, you will say the answer immediately. So 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 6. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Very good. So this is 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. See, 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers. Okay, you learned already 1-digit number, 2-digit number. Yes. So today's topic is, and today we are going to learn about 3-digit numbers. What is that? 3-digit numbers. One hundred and 46. See, this is in a textual bit 146. In the first box, how many digits are there, children? Yesterday we learned, no? 10 rows, 10 columns, 10 digits. So this box contains how many digits? 100 digits. Do you know very well? Very good. See here, 100 digits. So how 100 dots? How many dots are in this box? How many? 100 dots. Very good. Next, 4 tens. Here, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. 10 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. See children, so it is called 40. It is called 40. It is 6 dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many dots are there? 6 dots. So 6 is the ones place. 4 is the tens place. Means 40. 100. 100 is the 10 tens is equal to 100. So this is called 100 place. First, we should write expanded form. Okay? How many hundreds are there? This is the ones place. Say only ones place, tens place, 100 place. See here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, children. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. We learned already 2-digit numbers. How many ones are there? How many tens are there? For example, 46. In this 46, how many ones are there? How many ones are there? Show with your fingers. The 46 number, how many ones are there? Show with your fingers. Show with your fingers. Very good. 6 ones. Very good, children. 6 ones. So, how many tens are there? How many tens are there? 4. Very good. So, 4 tens, 6 ones is equal to 46. And like that only here, hundreds. What is that? Hundreds. Here first, ones place. Next, tens place. This one more added, 100. What is this, children? 100. Are you clear the code? Hundred. See here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now you will see how many ones are there in this number. Which number is there in ones place? Which number is there? Show with your fingers. 6 only, na? 6 ones are there. So which number is there? 6. Very good. 6 ones. Next, tens place. In tens, how many tens are there in this number? How many are there? Very good. Revali Alakya showing 4 fingers. Very good. So once class to her. Class to her. Those who have said answer. Clap. You are not clapping. I am observing your videos. Claps. I am also clapping. Yes, very good. So how many tens are there? 4 tens. Next, in 100 place, which number is there in 100 place? Which number is there in 100 place? Very good. Most of the children did see your fingers. Very good. 1. So, this expanded from 146. How to read, children? 146. In this 100, 4 tens, 100, 4 tens, 6 ones. Are you clear? So this number name is 146. See here. 1. 100 and 4 tens means 40. So we should write F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-I-X 6 46. See now, did you understand? 146. 146. I will show the box also. Yesterday we learned now. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. This is the hundreds place. So, which number is there in ones place? Show with your fingers. I am not saying this one. So, in 146, this one you can say means if remaining all problems make it easy. Show with your fingers. Very good. How many ones are there? 6 ones. How many tens are there? Akhil, show with your fingers. Harshita, how many tens are there? Srija, show with your fingers. Udayasri, Shivateja, Aravind. Very good. How many tens are there? 4 tens. Now, how many hundreds are there? Harshita, show with your fingers. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds? 100. How many hundreds? 100. So you will show like this enough. 100. So the number name is 146. Are you clear, children? This one already you have in textbook. So don't note down. See here. This is only. Next. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. This is already done for you. 128 means 128 means how many hundreds are there? 100. See here, how many hundreds? 100. How many tens are there? 2 tens. How many tens are there? 2 tens. How many ones are there? 8 ones. So we should write 8 ones. 8 ones. And remaining 172 means dash hundreds dash hundred dash tens dash ones. Let me say how many hundreds are there? Show with your fingers. I will say names. How many hundreds are there? Simply none. This is hundred place. This is tens place. This is ones place. Now you can say how many hundreds are there? 100. How many tens are there? 7 tens. How many ones are there? 2 ones. Okay. Next. 144 means dash hundreds dash tens dash ones. Now let us say first we will write like this. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. This is the hundred place. Are you clear about ones place, tens place, hundreds place? So how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 100. Very good. 100. How many tens are there? 4 tens. How many ones are there? 4 ones. So this is already 144. Say the number name 144. Okay, 144. Okay, run down, write in your textbook, neatly write. Did you complete, children? Okay, turn on page number 20. Turn on page number 20. This is. Okay, now are you clear the board? Means are you clear the picture? Okay, in this time we learn 100, 100, 100. Yes, 100 only we learn 142, 143, 136, 108. Yes or no? Yes. So now we are going to learn about above 100. Above 100 means 200. 200. 100 means how many cards are there? Like this, one card. So we learn one box. This is called card. One card. This card have 100 holes. How many holes? 100 holes. Okay. Next, one more card also is there. One more card also is there. This is also have 100 cards. How many cards are there? 100 holes. This card also 100 holes. So now say total how many holes are there in these two cards? See, 100 one card, 100 one card and 100 one more card and one more 100. So total how many holes are there? How many? 200 holes. How many holes are there, children? 200 holes. Okay, 200 holes. And three rows holes, 3 rows of holes. Each one row having 10 holes. Each one row has 10 holes. So means 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows means 3 rows means 30. How many holes are there? 30. 230. Next, in this last card has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 holes. How many holes are there, children? 6 holes. So finally, 100. How many hundreds are there? 2. How many hundreds are there? 2. How many hundreds are there? 2. So, 200. Say Allah, 200. 200. Next card has, each row has 10 holes. Each row has 10 holes. So 10 holes, one more 10 holes, and once again 10 holes. So total 30 holes. How many holes are there? 30 holes. So 30. 230. Next, one more card has 6 holes. How many holes are there? 6 holes. So now let's say 236. 236. Are you understand? Okay. Next. Exercise. 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 First one. Dash 100. Dash tens. Dash ones. The number is given. The number is see here in your textbook. See here first. There are how many cards are there, children? Show with your fingers. Show with your fingers. How many cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many cards are there? 4 cards. Okay. Each card means each card 100 holes. So 4 cards means 400. 400. And how many tens are there? 10 tens. This one. How many tens are there? 10 tens. Next, 3 ones. How many holes are there in this card? 3 ones. So, let us read 413. 413. Are you clear, children? 413. 400. 10 tens. 3 1. So now 413. Next, dash 100. Dash tens. Dash ones. See here, 600. How many hundreds are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many hundreds? 6 hundreds. How many tens are there? 3 tens. How many tens are there? 3 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones. So it is number is 636. What is that number? 636. 36. So the number is 636. Thank you, children.